Welcome to this BlendSpace.com tutorial. My name is Kyle Martinez, and today we'll be going through how to use BlendSpace. In this tutorial, we will be learning about BlendSpace and what can be accomplished with it, how to create a lesson on BlendSpace, and how to generate and embed code. Let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we're going to simply go to BlendSpace.com. And then what BlendSpace is, they describe themselves as a tool that provides a way to create interactive lessons that sync documents, PowerPoints, videos, pictures, and other materials into one succinct and easily managed, organized space. So to get started, you're going to want to sign up. And so since I've already made an account, I'll go ahead and sign into mine. Okay, once you've signed up, you should be looking at this screen, and then we're going to click New Lesson to create our lesson. And then you're going to title it. So, for example, we'll just do U.S. History. And then here is where you're going to get all of your resources to fill in your lesson. So we will type in, to search for a resource, we'll type in Revolutionary War. And then here on this tab we have, these are the resources that BlendSpace offers. Here you can find YouTube videos, Google articles, Google images, and then down here you can even go into things that you've created from your computer or elsewhere. Okay, so let's just pick, we'll just throw this one in, throw this document in right there. And then we'll also take a YouTube video, put that in, part 2 I guess also. Oh, whoops. Move that in. Okay, so once you have some stuff in there, you can preview whatever you've selected to make sure that you actually want it in your lesson. Okay, so we'll just, probably wouldn't want this in, but we'll just leave it in just for the tutorial. And then you can make a description right here. So we'll just say brief history. And you can make a description for the YouTube videos also. Alright, so now that we have learned how to add resources into our lessons and then give those descriptions, we can look at another functionality of BlendSpace, and that is to add our own text. So you can pretty much just make this whatever you want. So we'll give a little title text slide here saying what this lesson will be about. So we'll say this lesson will cover the Revolutionary War, Civil War, and etc. And then as you can see, your text will appear here just as if it's like a PowerPoint slide. And this is pretty useful when you want to describe what the learners will be learning through a certain section of the lesson. Another cool functionality of BlendSpace is that you can create your own quizzes. So we will make one right here, and it's really simple. So you'll put your question in. So for this lesson we'll do what year was the United States founded? And then you can put in your answer. So we'll do 1778, 1790. Add more answers to make it 4 options if you want. 1776 and 1750. and then you'll select which one is the correct answer right there. And then you can either be done and just have it one question, or you can keep adding questions. So let's see. Alright, take the quiz. And what year was the United States founded? 1776, and submit that. And then you'd see that you are correct. So you want to give this quiz a label. Oh, whoops. Huh. Okay, so to enter a label right there, we'll just do U.S. founding quiz. And then at any point, if you don't like, or if you want to change a resource that you've put into your lesson, you can simply remove it. I'm not going to remove that, but you can remove any one of these things and put something else in there. Alright, so to finish out our lesson, we're gonna just find one more resource. Let's throw in that just to finish it out, and then you can see that you have the ability to keep adding rows, however in-depth you want your lesson to be. For this, I'm just going to leave it at this, and then you can give your whole lesson a playthrough, and it'll show everything that you've included. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be learning about BlendSpace is how to generate an embed code to place this somewhere. And the way that you do it is really simple. You're just going to go up to this share icon right here. Click share, and here's a link it'll generate for you, but then if you want the embed code, you would press embed, and boom, there it is. You can simply copy and paste it wherever you want. And this will conclude our tutorial of BlendSpace.